Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Hitat Modi from Varchaswa Trading, and I share everything that goes on in the cash markets and even more on our Telegram and Instagram channels. So if you are new to this channel, please go and like, share and subscribe to all of our channels and stay connected with us. Previously on our global channel, I had shared whether I should make a monthly PNL update video, and most of you guys had suggested that I should. So here we are. Let me take you to my Zerodha console, where I'll be sharing all my PNL reports of this current financial year so far. So let's first get started with what I did in February, and later on we'll see whatever has happened throughout the year. So as we can see that I've realized a net PNL of 1.17 lakh rupees in this month itself, and you can check out the trades that I have taken over here in this month, and you can see how much capital I have deployed, my buy price, my sell price, and the net profits that I've realized in this particular month. So the most profitable trades in the most profitable trades I've deployed somewhere about 1.91 lakh rupees, and I've gained 21,000 rupees, which is approximately 10.95%. If I show you my maximum buy value that I have taken in a trade, so this particular trade SOTL was a mistake. I had bought it and I had sold it. Like, instead of buying 230 shares, I had punched an order of 2300 shares. It got executed and I just exited the trade because it was not my intended quantity that I wanted to punch in the trade. Rest all you can see in every other trade, I've not used more than 2.5 lakh rupees to book this particular amount. So if you check, then percentage of returns wise, then you can see where on my account size I've booked a good amount of money this particular month. And if we go back to January and see what I've done in January, let me just put out the dates. In January, the month of Jan was really good and gracious. We saw a good bull run in the market, and I booked a good profit of 8.54 lakh rupees. So even in these conditions, if you check my buy price and sell price, this was an intraday trade. Whatever the amount that you're seeing, the price action was totally intraday, and that's what I've done. Even here I made a mistake of not purchasing 1050 shares. I bought 10,500 shares, and that's why you're seeing this reflection. Rest all, I have used 6.7 lakhs in this particular trade in NFL, where I booked 44,000 rupees. So that's approximately 6% 7% return within 2 to 3 days. I had booked this profit. SJVN was also a good trade. Even IRFC was a bumper trade where I booked 36% net returns on my capital of 2.47 lakh rupees. So here you can check out how do I book profits, how do I where do I make my entries, where do I take exits. Ramki Infra is my investment, so I had just booked some part of my investment, so don't count this as my monthly trade. Apart from this, rest the all other trades have been done in this particular month itself. So I use a capital of not more than 4 or 5 lakh rupees per trade, and I use only 20 lakhs in a month, and that's how I make my profits. Let's go back to the month of December and see what did I do in December. December was an average decent month where I closed the month with a profit of 2.21 lakhs, and again my highest buy value and sell value, this being an intraday trade, ignore this trade. Godrej Agro was a good trade again. Kirloskar oil engines was a decent trade. Ritco was a decent trade. NHPC was a fabulous trade where I booked 25,000 rupees. That is a net ROI of 19% on a deployed capital of 1.3 lakh rupees. As you can see, this entire trade book is there in front of you. I'll be sharing this trade book on Telegram so that you can cross reference to my entries and my exits, and learn a thing or two from there. Overall, this year has been good in the cash markets. So I have booked a net profit of 27 lakh rupees this year itself, and the most profitable trades and the loss making trades will be shared with you guys on Telegram. So stay tuned for my update. And that's about it. But to make this kind of money, I have not deployed more than 30 to 40 lakhs in the markets at once. So it's not a very big ROI, but it's a very safe gain that I have made in the markets. But just by paying a charge of 59,000 rupees, and rest of it is mine. So if you compare this PNL sheet with that of a derivatives trader, you will find that to book this money and the amount, the charges that I pay is really very minimal in front of the realized profits. Also, I don't usually stay invested in a stock for more than a year, but at the same time, you need to book your profits timely. So it doesn't mean that if you have bought certain stock and it's performing quite well, and you don't really book the profits, and you just miss all the gains that you would have made if you would have trailed the profits. So the methodologies that I use in trading are quite unusual, and by unusual I mean that they are very new and not very much famous. It's not very much famous in the sense it's not available on the YouTube. So if you search about circuit trading or anything, you'll just find my video on YouTube that I have uploaded on this channel before. And I hope that that video must have helped you to make profitable and consistent gains from the markets. So this is the video that I was talking about, the ultimate guide to profiting from BTSC trades. So this is my bread and butter setup that I have spoken to you guys about, and this is what I do on a regular basis. Secondly, I also do swinging in the stocks, and I share those trades on my community, and we make money together. It's really fun. And also on the free Telegram channel, I have shared a few trades which have given good returns. I hope that that has helped you to gain capital, gain profits from our side. And whatever we share on this channel is quite educational, and it's not like that we're giving a call out or something. So do subscribe to our Telegram community, and if you are already a subscriber, you must be aware of all kinds of trades and activities that goes on in the markets, and we share good timely updates. Even in the community today, all the mentees who were trading derivatives, they have given good returns, they've gotten good returns, as well as the mentor, our mentor Aditya. He had shared a pre-market level on Nifty, and even that trade did really well today. And everything is done live in front of you guys, so don't miss out on our updates. First of all of these pre-analysis videos are shared before with our mentees, and they are really very helpful. um, I particularly deal with cash markets only, and I deal with stocks that trade in circuits. I deal with stocks that move really very quickly. So, in order to identify these stocks, we have our own sets of methodologies and our own sets of rules. So, it's really very easy for our mentees to spot these trades and catch a hold of them. And don't forget to stay connected with us on Instagram as well. We share our insightful knowledge, and the posts are really very educational. So please subscribe to our please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That should be it from my side, guys, and stay safe, stay invested. Do not forget about the cash markets, as they are very boring to a lot of people, but don't forget that they give good timely returns to you, and your money stays safe in the markets. Thank you.